guys, this is Ashish, your दोस्त का दोस्त आशीष. Welcome to the channel Ashish in Education, which is an easiest method to achieve much more knowledge and from which you can develop your brain. So friends, today we will discuss plus 2 second year mathematics, that is the chapter differential calculus, continuity and differentiability. So if you don't subscribe my channel, then first of all subscribe, for which you can get new latest educational, motivational and learning video. So now we will discuss about continuity, and after that we will discuss about differentiability. So first of all, continuity. So what is the definition of continuous function? A function is said to be continuous at a point. What I said? A function is said to be continuous at a point. In which point? X is equal to a. A function, let f of x. A function f of x is said to be continuous at a point x is equal to a. Then which are the conditions? Conditions number 1, f of a is well defined. In the point x is equal to a, if the function f of x is continuous, then f of a is well defined. F of a most well defined. And the second is limit x tends to a, f of x exists. What I said? If a function f of x is said to be continuous, at that time limit x tends to a, f of x must exist. Again, third condition, limit x tends to a, f of x is equal to f of a. These three criteria should fulfill for a function f of x is said to be continuous. Then again, a function f of x is said to be continuous if it is continuous in its domain. Next one, another definition, a function f of x is said to be continuous if it is continuous in its domain. In its domain. So, if a function is continuous in its domain, then this function is said to be continuous. Now, we will discuss about continuous या फिर continuity in the graph. So guys, one note, if we can draw the graph of a function without lifting the pencil या फिर lifting the pencil, pen or marker, then this function is said to be continuous. Function is said to be continuous. So we will discuss about some example. we take some example about this note, about the graph of f of x is equal to sin x. What is the graph of f of x is equal to sin x? The graph of f of x is equal to sin x is this is the graph of f of x equal to sin x. Here we draw the graph without lifting the marker. Understand? So this function is continuous. So how we check? Because in this function we can draw the graph without lifting pen, pencil or marker. Then this function is said to be continuous function. F of x is equal to e to the power x, that is exponential function. So in exponential function, what is the graph? The graph is this is the graph of exponential function e to the power x. Here also we can draw the graph of the exponential function without lifting pencil or marker. So this function is also said to be continuous. Again, we will discuss about signum function. In signum function, f of x is equal to mod of x by x. So in the graph, this function is so what happened? In this function, to draw the graph, we lift the marker. So this function is not continuous. This function is discontinuous. So in graph, we can check which function is continuous and which function is discontinuous. Let us take an example of another function, that is f of x is equal to bracket x. What is the graph of this function? The graph of this function is the graph of this step function is here. The marker is lifted. The marker here we lifted the marker. So the function is not continuous. The not continuous means discontinuous. Now another example. I give some example that because of you can understand better. So another example, f of x is equal to x square. The function is f of x equal to x square. Then the graph is, so here we can draw the graph without lifting the pencil. So this function is continuous. Again another graph, f of x is equal to x. Here the graph is, so the function is continuous. Now we will discuss about some continuity formula. Now we will discuss about some limit formula. So according to limit formula, the first formula is limit x tends to a, x to the power n minus a to the power n by x minus a is equal to n into a to the power n minus 1. This is the first formula of limit or continuity. Then again the second formula, limit x tends to 0. That means x is not equal to 0. X is not equal to 0. X may be greater than 0 or x may be less than 0. At that time we use tends to. That is, so then again limit x tends to 0, tan x by x is equal to what? here sin x by x is equal to 1. Here limit x tends to 0, logarithmic of 1 plus x by x is equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x divided by x is equal to 1. And another formula, limit x tends to 0, exponential function minus 1 by x is equal to 1. That means e to the power x minus 1 by x is equal to 1. Then again, limit x tends to 0, a to the power x minus 1 by x is equal to log a. So these are the formula of limit, and that is called continuity formula. Now the first question, f of x is equal to x square minus a square by x minus a if x does not equal to a, and a if x is equal to a at x is equal to a. So what is the solution? The solution is at x is equal to a. At x is equal to a, f of x is equal to f of a, then f of a is equal to a. Because of if x is equal to a, x is equal to a, then a. So at x is equal to a, f of x by f of a is equal to a. Now when x does not equal to a, that means limit x tends to a, f of x. So when limit x tends to a, that means x is not equal to a. A may be less than x, a may be greater than x. So in this case, limit x tends to a, f of x, the value of f of x is this, x square minus a square by x minus a. We discussed about this formula, that is first of all n, here n is 2, so 2 a to the power 2 minus 1, then 2a. So here limit f of x is does not equal to only f of x. So here what happened? F of x does not equal to limit x tends to a, f of x. So this function is not continuous. And this function is discontinuous. So you have to try another question. Next class we will discuss about another some questions. So if you don't subscribe my channel, then subscribe, for which you can get new latest videos. And also remember to like and share. Thank you.